Welcome back everybody, hope everyone is doing okay. So we get into our Jamaica versus Costa Rica scout report. Following a run of impressive results, Costa Rica now turn their attention towards an away trip to Jamaica, where a victory would certainly boost their chances of qualifying for their third consecutive World Cup finals. The main concern for Luis Fernando Suarez will be that Los Ticos have struggled on their travels in qualifying, picking up just 3 points away from home. While the result against Mexico was the third time that Costa Rica have played out a goalless draw in the qualifying campaign. Having scored just 1 goal in their 5 away qualifiers, Wednesday night's visit to the office will give them an opportunity to play a more expansive game if they are to collect the 3 points. However, this is not their strong suit. Suarez prefers to play a 4-2-3-1 formation, but he has used a 5-4-1 recently. The latter setup was a foundation of past Costa Rican success. The squad is aging, with this cycle likely serving as the last for most of the players. Costa Rica are a defensive-heavy veteran setup. Unless truly controlling the match, Los Ticos tend to surrender possession, which in turn leads to not taking a lot of shots. Long-term attacking issues appear to be an institutional problem. The focus is maintaining a strong defensive shape, which has mixed success due to persistent fouling and errors in possession. Alright, now for some team news on the Jamaican side. Alright, so Jamaica could bring back in Damon Lowe after the defender was suspended for the Panama game. Mikel Antonio is expected to lead the line after scoring his 3rd international goal. Meanwhile, Gerson Torres is expected to retain his place in Costa Rica lineup after coming into the side for the trip to Mexico. So in fact, following their resolute display on Sunday, the visitors could name an unchanged starting 11 for the Jamaica contest. If they do opt for the unchanged side, that means Brian Ruiz would start on the bench, alright, despite scoring twice in the qualifying campaign. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Remember, like the videos, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.